BJP Manipur Pradesh released a book named Charge Sheet against Congress government that contains 100 wrongdoings of the Congress. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee files a complaint to the ECI against BJP Manipur and Ram Madhav against a violation of Model Code of Conduct. And people injured in Kiamgai under Kairao Assembly constituency after a scuffle broke out at an election rally. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangton with the top stories and latest news at this hour. President of BJP Manipur Pradesh KSH Bhabananda released a book named Charge Sheet against Congress government that contains 100 wrongdoings of the 15-year ruled by the Congress government at the party's office in Nityai Pachutek. Former Chief Minister Radha Binod Koijam was accorded a warm welcome to BJP on the occasion. Speaking on the occasion, BJP National General Secretary Ram Madhav alleged that the wrongdoings of the Congress government led by the Chief Minister Okrabi Bobi are punishable under the CRPC. He further stated that the upcoming elections will be fought hard between the Congress and BJP in the valley and there will be a tight fight between BJP and NPF in the hill. Ram Madhav also exuded confidence that the BJP will form the next government in Manipur and that a corrupt Congress will sit in the opposition in the assembly. Speaking on the occasion, Radha Binod Koijam alleged that the Congress government does not care about the people and is only worried about their MLAs and ministers. He said the people of Manipur have suffered under their government for years and that it is time for the people to unite for a better future.
In the valley, it's going to be a direct fight between BJP and Congress. In the hills, in many constituencies, Congress is nowhere. It's going to be a direct fight between BJP and NPF. And I'm telling you, in the hills, BJP is going to emerge as the largest party, defeating NPF and Congress. We are going to win maximum seats. आज तो उत्तर प्रदेश में जूनियर पार्टनर हो गया. कभी इस देश को रूल करता था 2014 तक. मणिपुर में भी वही हाल होने वाला है. जूनियर अपोजिशन पार्टी बन के रह जाएगा. Those who want to loot are in Congress. Those who want to lead into a bright future are in BJP. Let us take BJP forward and form the next government.
Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee has filed a complaint to the CEO of Manipur and ECI against BJP Manipur and its National General Secretary Ram Madhav against a violation of Election Code of Conduct. This was announced by spokesperson of MPCC, Kate Joy Kishan, to media persons at Congress Bhavan, BT Road today. He further stated that Ram Madhav had attacked the Chief Minister of Manipur personally yesterday, which is against the Code of Conduct. He asked if Ram Madhav has any proofs against the Chief Minister and also challenged him to prove that BJP and NPF are not allies in this election. Joy Kishan said the public should be made aware if BJP will have any poll alliance with the NPF. The recent ADC election is a proof that the BJP and NPF are together. Joy Kishan said the BJP cannot deny that Northeast India Development Party has NPF in it. He said the BJP is a power-hungry party and hence it is misleading the public. He asked if the party is scared to announce under which ministry or contractor was the 100 crores for the repair of Kuman Lampak Sports Complex sanctioned. It will be wrong for BJP to assume that the people of Manipur are naive. Joy Kishan said it would be wrong to say that he quit BJP since he was power-hungry as claimed by the party. BJP should be aware that he was a leader in the BJP as well. He said he quit the party since he did not want to be a leader of a party that aims at disintegrating the state.
Madam Sungsa Sadana, leader of the House, Honorable CMBO, Sars to Wibase, Pulan Lanba Tawoni, Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee, Maikei Dagi, Election Commission da, Aranba Tawomoski Matanga, Wakat Sakre, Northeast Democratic Alliance, and Lady Ba, Sri Hemanta Biswas Herman, convener Oiva, Adugumba Alliance, the BJP na lit Tauraga, NPF su partner Romo Oiribanebo. Masadi the Kamai Sabina di Haidu in the Sini. NPFC Haribe Alliance Sidagi Tokre Natraga Tantok Rival Lake Rabra. BJP na electoral gain Pangnapa pai haijan ba thong se masi khudak ta lepu.
In latest election-related violence, people have been injured in Kiamgai under Kairao Assembly constituency. The incident reportedly took place when the Congress workers raised hands at the workers of Rameshwar while they were in a political rally. Condemning the act, L. Rameshwar has appealed the authority concerned to look into the matter. Speaking about the incident, Secretary of Kairao Apun Bachau Thauranglub Akungbam Ongbi Ibeyaima said workers of BJP candidate Rameshwar tried to carry out a rally at about 11 a.m. today at Kiamgai. Sensing trouble, Mayra Paibis of the locality requested them to not carry out the rally since workers of Congress candidate Thamarjit outnumbered them. She said people who came to take part in the rally carried harmful objects in their vehicles. Stone pelting were also reported later and injured CH Mocha and Sopa were admitted at RIMS. Ibeyaima questioned the Election Commission if they allowed people to carry weapons in the rally while granting permission. She also expressed dissatisfaction over the partial treatment of the police.
Akwai thamaraba leite rameba leite akwai shanti pami masi crimes amta thoning de maramdi akwai isang haktani amta thoning de aduduna mase election commission na mieng changhaningi maramdi ngasi laiba police kangbu dingju makhoi gi support oina tawi akwai gi makhoi di Newton da leifam thokpani mase akwai di thamana te ramena te candidate amatta gi na te ai di mama aini aduna akwai gi isang haktani sokpa yade matungda sigumba se amona tawbiganu adudaga election commission na masi gi mieng changbi yu se karmaina permission piba matamda YouTube thangtu puraga nung puraga chalo haibagi permission je pibi bra na haibase ai hangjaningi.
Urup Arabti upon Mayra Paibi Lub organized a sit-in protest today at a market sheet in Arabti Mamang Leika against a partiality on part of Irilbung police in an incident yesterday. A member of the Lub, Wahengbam Rina, expressed the desire of ECI taking up steps against Irilbung police. She said the Mayra Paibi Lub had banned election-related activities such as rallies, setting up of camps and feasting since a month in and around Urup Arabti. A meeting was also organized yesterday in this regard to carry out the election in a free and fair way. On hearing a report that some camps had been set up, the women folks visited to stop the setting up of the camps of Congress candidate Karam Thamarjit, where they found the Irilbung police guarding the camps. Following which a team of Irilbung police and workers of Karam Thamarjit stoned at the residence of a common candidate of the constituency, the Kelambam Shamananda, at around 8 p.m. Rina condemned this biased act of Irilbung police instead of keeping the violence in check and appealed ECI to take up action against the concerned police.
Osi masamagna Congress ki MLA Karam Thamarjit Singhagi workersim poraklaga Urup Arabti gi common candidate oiriba Siri Takhelambam Samananda Singhogi mayumda nung thajinduna nauri kapsinduna akanba mawongda landarakhi masida sunatana Mayra Paibi Ima Iben Singh candidate ki worker sing ahing chupa quesinduna thamlaga mapan thoktanabasu honare makhoina Osi gi thawong sing asina mabu Congress ki MLA Karam Thamarjit election gi ye thangba pambom ni haina Mayra Paibi Ima Iben Singna lawi irin bungi PS na lawriba thoksingji aikoi Mayra Paibi Ima Iben Singna yajaningde masigi mari leinana election commission na section tharang lokhotpiu haibasi Mayra Paibi Ima Iben Singna haijari.
President of National People's Party NPP accorded a warm welcome to Langpok Lakpam Jayanta Kumar from Kesamtung constituency, who held important posts at MPCC and was also a minister under the Congress government. Along with him, former General Secretary OBC Morcha of BJP Manipur Pradesh, Khuraijam Loken from Wangoi constituency, former DGP Y. Joy Kumar from Uripok and Haji Ashraf Ali from Khangabok were also welcomed to NPP. Speaking on the occasion held at NPP office in Waheng Laikai, Khuraijam Loken said resigning from BJP and joining NPP will empower them to work on behalf of the people. Loken further said he will play a major role in ending the political games of both the Congress and BJP from the state, and that he will not allow BJP to bear fruits in Wangoi. 3 ward members of Imphal Municipal Corporation and 4 councillors of Thongkong Lakshmi Nagar Panchayat also joined NPP on the occasion.
lamdamsida Congress amadi BJP na tawriba political gi game asi athuba matamda loisana ba honabla asawa thodang lawgani praja gi apam gi matungina ai wakhalon ga manabaduna ngasi lamdamsida awon ba porakpuda asawa thodang lawgani khallaga aina party sta join tawjabani election mai pak pa habji praja gi khutta lebani party na nati wangoi kendra da BJP kaidong da mayon chong habji mai ngasi mafam je thamjaramage wangoi kendra da Congress habji yumham leitabani wangoi kendra da khwaidagi praja gi apam madi kaino habda party gi ticket da vote pibana te habji mai ngasi gi lamdamji leibe chilnaw ji thamjaramage.
2 people were injured in a scuffle that broke out last evening around 7 p.m. in Mayang Imphal Chabung Company. The incident occurred when a team of 7 women suspiciously came to worship Ibudhaw Wangbrain without getting the approval of the Lai Committee. Speaking to media persons regarding the incident at Mayang Imphal Bazaar, executive member of Manipur Mahila Congress Committee, T.H. Bilashini, claimed that there was a woman clad in Amaibi dress in the group. Member of Ibudhaw Wangbrain Lai Committee, Sapam Chakra, stopped the women from making offerings to the Almighty, stating that the day was not auspicious, being a Sunday and a 9th day in the lunar calendar. After having reached an agreement, few men who accompanied the women forcefully tried to perform puja, and Sapam Chakra was assaulted in the process. His wife, Sapam Ongbi Ketuki, was injured in the scuffle. It is worth mentioning that the 7 women who came to make an offering to the temple were all BJP workers. The injured are Congress workers. Similar incidents were also reported earlier from Bengun, Uchiwa and Mayang Imphal radio station. Bilashini appealed the workers to conduct themselves in a peaceful manner. Localities also stated that without the permission of the people of Mayang Imphal, no one is allowed to enter Ibudhaw Wangbrain.
Lai khomba lakpa matam sida koi committee ama leijeba lai gi committee leba sida sumo shuk tak tak ten hekta nampuda laksan bania ba committee gi member ama thengnare matam do te thengna kan sida khuramba ngasi numitha phatte khuramba yawre kholoi hayeng la on haina ba sida ngasai gi committee sida onjal ga mo khoina ngasai gi khut tharak bania attack tawrei ba oji sakra ji doctor da leiri bania ba jabung company ngarang thoisi kariguma sakra da tawrei ba sakra sina phatanu da tawta aduda amukka makhata na congress attack tawta ba adugi maru aba kanodi madude attack tawpada atatai do BJP party do haizening.
Manipur National Democratic Front (MNDF) accorded a warm welcome to former MLA of Ketrigao, Thangjam Nandakishore, who is also popularly known as Tayai. Speaking on the occasion, MNDF President Bijoy Koijam expressed that the party is proud to have Nandakishore after his resignation from BJP. He asserted that Tayai will win the election, being a candidate favoured by the people of his constituency. Thangjam Nandakishore alleged that BJP is a party which is internally full of scams and that the members of the party will continue to resign one after another.
National Party Amoirwa BJP Manipur Thugaibada Thude Dona Thawai Yauna Hidden Ejada Thabibadum Party Medagi Tokpiraga Kogi Nona Linkacheriba local party, the regional party, rest political parties the Yabirakpada parties Himakidigi Thude Dona Thawayauna Masung Yamna warmly welcome Tokzo Pangjabasi party Sigi Yamasok Toxaningaini Aduga Equinus Taji Madudi party Sida Soidana Agi Yaman and the Kisor ex MLAC Soidan Karakan Habigi Tajabadu Pangi Maramdi Ketrigao Kendri Prada Singna Magi Matung the Leptuna Yamna Akanba Yaman Tijana support to Habasi Hang Sudum Uzay.
It's time for a small commercial break. Lots more coming up right after this break. Stay tuned.
Yumanungi application ki mapung faba solution pir ba Durasign G6 seasonabiu. Durasign asi Tata Blue Scope Steel Limited ki flagship retail brand ni. Durasign liner ki khudong chaba sing di yumanungi amasung mapan ki application ki khwaidagi yang phanglang kup na ba. Yan thaba siling amasung phaklang khaidok na bagi irai live solution pi. Panel sing ado phai ba amadi chap yung ga mai kai install to ba yai. Durasign Tata Blue Scope Steel.
beneath 100 meters from the Earth's surface, naturally filtered through saline stones, pure, clean, and healthy water.
Welcome back to the break, and you're watching Primetime English News. DEO Imphal West C. Arthur organized an interaction program for micro-observers in connection with the ensuing 11th State Assembly election. The meeting was held at Kombiri Hall, DC Office Complex, Lamphilpad. Addressing media persons present at the interactive session, micro-observer Dr. Bibi Upadhyaya exposed that his team is ready to grab this opportunity of contributing something to State Assembly election 2017. For the first time since demonetization, Income Tax Department has conducted raids in Manipur today. Income Tax branch of the Directorate of Investigation Northeast Region, Guwahati, raided the headquarters of LG Motors located at Khangyempally Huidrom Laikai, Imphal West. According to news received by Impact News, the raid has been conducted since there was a deposit of a little over 3 crore rupees since demonetization. The raid was conducted from 11 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. today. On the other hand, a team of Manipur police also recovered a double-barrel gun with bullets from the landlord of the LG Motors headquarters. There are no comments from the IT department or the enterprise regarding the raid. Now to sports news. According to the latest report from the BAI Badminton Association of India, Maishna Mairaba Luwang is now India's top, ranking number 1 in under-17 boys single category with a total point of 1.557. The details are available on the official website of the association. Mairaba's upcoming matches include under-19 boys singles event Yonex Dutch Junior International 2017 Junior Grand Prix Tournament under BWF from 1st to 5th March of 2017 at BT Haarlem, Netherlands, and Yonex German Junior Open 2017, the 34th International Junior Championships of Germany under BWF from 9 to 12 March 2017 at Berlin. Mairaba is now undergoing special training under Prakash Padukone Badminton Academy, Bengaluru, and is fully supported by Olympic Gold Quest India. United Gym Manipur, KBB Gym and Prabhavati Fitness Center felicitated Arambam Bobby Singh, who bagged the title of Mr. World 5 times, and Laimapokpam Sanatombi Chanu, who bagged a bronze medal in World Wushu Championship today at Ipathaukok Shanglin, Narimthong. The two bodybuilders were presented gifts at the event. The program was attended by people from all walks of life. Arambam Bobby performed 7th of his 4th possess of bodybuilding competitions in the program. Passerbys and commuters rushed into the sport to witness the rare body show. Cyclone Thangmaiban beat Napsa Kha Imphal by 58 runs to enter the semi-final of the 5th T20 Veteran Cricket Tournament today. Winning the toss and choosing to bat first, Cyclone scored 128 runs in the stipulated 20 overs by losing 5 wickets. In reply, Napsa Kha Imphal scored only 71 runs by losing all wickets in 16.4 overs. Surjit of Cyclone Thangmaiban, who picked up 3 wickets in 3.4 overs, was adjudged the man of the match. The tournament is organized by Manipur Veteran Cricket Association at the grounds of Oriental College and Model Higher Secondary School, and 10 teams are taking part in tournament. Champ Khangyempally will play YWC Langthabal tomorrow. Before we end the bulletin, a quick look at the headlines once again. BJP Manipur Pradesh releases the book named Charge Sheet against Congress government that contains 100 wrongdoings of the Congress. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee files a complaint to the ECI against BJP Manipur and Ram Madhav against a violation of Code of Conduct. And people injured in Kiamgai under Kairao Assembly constituency after a scuffle broke out at an election rally.